Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bag. Yes, it's that kind of the day. So guys, you know our practice here. I'm going to share everything to you from product names, product code, prices, product features, and launch dates. Just kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website or with your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. And happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, and comment on this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the Capucine Mini from the Flower Crown collection. So this collection is launching November 1st, 2024. Price of this one is 5,000 euro or 6,900 USD. We have SKU here. So the size is mini. It has LV flower detail that is embellished with rhinestones. Come with detachable strap, of course. Next, Capucine Mini, we have the Noir Trilogy that would be launching November 1st, 2024. So the mini Capucines, the price of this one is 6,300 euro or 7,250 USD. So the size is mini with detachable trio chain accent, comes with detachable strap. Then we have the side trunk PM. So this one, let us discuss the Mink Noir Collection. That will be launching same date, November 1st, 2024. Price of this one is 5,700 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU. So the main material is in mink. Colors noir, comes with 2 straps, top handle, and crossbody strap. Next on the Mink Noir Collection, we have the LV Go14 size PM. Price is 7,500 euro. So same material, so we're going to see the matte touch detail of the Go14, but the material of course is in mink. It comes with detachable top handle and detachable crossbody chain strap with gold hardware. Next, we have the Capucine size mini. Price is 7,200 euro. Still from the mink, this time quilted bloom collection. But same launch date of November 1st, 2024. So you're going to see close up. We are going to see the Louis Vuitton flower. That is why this is the quilted bloom collection. Color is navy and material is in mink. Next, Capucines mini, we have the from the Women's Cruise 2025 collection. So this one is priced at 8,200 euro or 9,250 USD. So the body is embellished with rhinestones as we could see here, and it is in leopard print pattern. Comes with detachable leather strap and gold hardware. Next, we have a new design bag, guys. I feel that this is going to be hot because we are on the era of slouchy bag. So we have the Kuanhobo. Price of this one is 4,000 euro or 5,050 USD. Material is leather with embossed with Louis Vuitton monogram. Color of this one is gallet, so it is a slouchy new design. Comes with chunky chain strap with canvas strap. So we have it in other colorways. So the colorway of this one is in chocolate. So you're going to see the price is 4,000 euro or 5,050 USD. Launch date is November 1st, 2024. Kindly take note. So this is the interior. So as you're going to see, the chunky chain is fully detachable. Same with the canvas strap. Next colorway is in noir. So price is 4,000 euro or 5,050 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. So loving this colorway, you know me guys, I do love a combination of black leather with gold hardware. So this is the interior ballerine pink colorway. So I love of course the chunky chain because I feel that you could wear that as an accessory. So next we have the side trunk PM. So this is from the croc leather and calfskin material. mix. So the price of this one is 8,000 euro or 9,200 USD. The launch date of this collection is November 1st, 2024. Colorway of this one is Rose Fusion. So this is a combination of croc leather and calfskin. And to be honest guys, the croc leather, this is like just like the touch, because the croc leather is the leather on the S-lock, as you can see here. So main body is calfskin, of course, and this one comes in the silver hardware. So the color noir is priced at 8,000 euro or 9,200 USD, launching November 1st, 2024. And then we have another Capucine size mini. So this is from the lizard skin collection. Price of this one is 7,700 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU, launching anytime between November 2024. Material is the exotic lizard skin. Color is gold glitter. It comes with detachable crossbody strap. Still on the same collection, we have the Petite Malle. Price of this one is 8,500 euro. So material is lizard skin. I love the gold glitter colorway. It comes with detachable crossbody strap. I also love the combination. It's not like a yellow gold. I think the color of hardware is more of like a champagne gold hardware. Next, we have the Loophobo pocket. So price of this one is 3,400 USD. Material is monogram nylon. Color is polar night. It comes with detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. It comes with silver hardware. So this one, guys, has already launched last October 18th. So you wanna check out louisvuitton.com or check with your CAs for the availability of this one. Then we have more from the Louis Vuitton ski collection. First, we have the Lou wallet. That has already launched October 18th, so please check the website right now. Price of this one is 1,110 USD. We have SKU here. Material is leather, color is black and pink, as we can see here, and it comes with gold hardware. Next, guys, we have a new design bag. So we have the Bologo that would be launching November 1st, 2024. Price of this one is 2,450 euro or 3,000 USD. Material is in amphant leather. Color is tortorelle and cream. Detachable leather strap, and it comes with detachable braided chain strap. I love the braided chain strap detail. Next, guys, more on the Mirror Reedition collection. This has already launched last October 18th. So please check the website or your local Louis Vuitton store or your CA. But I just wanted to share this to you as well. So first, we have the Valisa Tresor. Price is 9,000 euro or 11,100 USD. Loving this trunk handle bag because it comes with top handle and detachable leather strap. Then we have the Coffret Champagne. Price of this one is 18,000 euro or 22,500 USD. So the main material, as we could see here, is the metallic vernice leather, and it comes with silver hardware. So this is still from the Mirror Reedition collection. So from their trunk line. So this is the interior, so you could put champagne inside. How bougie, right? Then we have the Coffret 8 Montres. So price of this one is 9,000 euro or 11,100 USD from the Mirror Reedition collection. So this is for your watches. It comes with 8 slots for your watches. Then it comes in the same material of the metallic vernice leather. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode, guys. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!